Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and I fell into even more clearance today. This is still going on if your store has these items on clearance. Clearance schedules are usually Saturday afternoonish or Tuesdays, depending on your market. You might have to keep a watchful eye out on it, but anything with these orange tags you might want to check out and see later if they might be ringing up at 90% off. This is unheard of for these sort of products. I made a full video yesterday. I was finding like Tide and that sort of stuff. I found some Sun and Purex crystals, still excellent things at 90% off. So I was really excited. Like all this stuff, guys, was like $3 and some change. This is absolutely fantastic. Throw in $3 of Walgreens cash and you're in business. And then I just did a very chintzy haul today because here's why. I had a $7 back when you spend $50, and I just could not get a deal to really rock and roll for me. If I had a paper one, perhaps, but I didn't even have that. So I just did a quick and simple deal, but this is really the star of the show today over at Walgreens. So we're gonna talk about that. And then over at Meijer, Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. Google your location if you might have this store. It's not as affiliated like sister stores, like they would have like one in Southern California. It's only in the Midwest. If you want to fast forward, I'll put the timestamp right here for this deal. All of these lip products were absolutely free today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And this is also a nice little cheapie, which is the dish soap. Report for you guys. It's a rainy one outside today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Let's get right into this clearance stuff because this is just fantastic. Look high and low in your store. And even if something isn't tagged, ask a cashier to scan something for you. You sadly can't use BrickSeek. You can't use the app. You have to ask the cashier to scan something for you as described in yesterday's video. Only way to get a price check over at Walgreens. So the first two items that I found were these Suns, and these are 100 load, 193, which is really a lot. So this guy was 60 cents. Sun product that I found is this guy, and yesterday I got the cashier to price check one for me. And for whatever reason, I think it was the same container, guys, and it was ringing up $5.99. At this store, it was 60 cents. I found two more of these Purex crystals, and they were 60 cents each. The price point for this is usually $6.90 or $5.99, so for 60 cents, I'll pay that all day, every day. Last terrific find that I found was this Cascade, and I found this right in the clearance section and it was tagged, believe it or not, and this guy was 68 cents. I only found one. I wish I could have found a bunch of them, but this is the 13 counter. How fantastic is that? So look high and low in your store, and if your region hasn't done clearance yet, but there's a lot of tags, don't be shy to walk into the store and ask a cashier to price check something for you. And if it's ringing up for these goofy prices, by all means. This rarely, barely ever happens, guys, where you will get prices this low on these sort of products. So if you can, I would absolutely pounce on these deals. Hey guys, now in the feminine care aisle, tampons, pads, that good stuff, lots of this stuff is also 90, including these Walgreens brand of these tampons, and then the Tampax from $9.99 down to $1, savings of $8.99. So if you are out and about looking for clearance, walk down that feminine care aisle. We have some Walgreens organic tampons, $5.99 down to 60 cents. Somebody cleared everything at this one location, and I just wasn't going to drive around for this today. And then we have some Always overnight pads down to 70 cents. You can see some significant savings right there. And then the final one that we have is a Walgreens generic pad down to 33 cents. Big savings right there. The next little deal that I have is with the Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash. So these guys are 2 for $12. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I'm not sure how I did that or when I loaded that. So I used $9 in Walgreens cash. I had other items to get me to 10, but yeah, I used Walgreens cash to pay this down. And then I got back this $4 register reward. So it basically makes it $5 for the two, or $2.50 for each. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash and you will still earn this guy. And also, I got a whole bunch of points back from Fetch Rewards for this purchase of these 2 doves. So I'm very delighted with that. Okay, so this item, I have been trying to buy some of these for the last little bit, and I just will not use my Walgreens cash to even buy something like this for myself, which is really, you know, I should probably just buy it, but even the Walgreens generic brand of these little shavers, and if you want to, you know, fix your eyebrows or whatever, that's what they're for. They're $5.99 even for the Walgreens brand of that, because I was looking at prices today and I was like, my gosh, that's really expensive. Anyhow, this one by Schick is $5.99. We have a $4 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.99. $1.99 for 3 of these like blades to make your eyebrows look beautiful. I mean, I'll pay that all day, every day. And like, how fantastic is that? Like, so I was just delighted to find this deal today. The last little deal that I did was with the Scott's toilet paper. This guy is $5 on the nose. We have this $1.25 IVC coupon found in the April Big Book, $1.25 off. You find this at the front of the store. It's free to take and to use. So the cashier will scan this. It'll drop it down to $3.75. We also have a 50-cent off coupon, so it drops it down to $3.25. And I used a bunch of Walgreens cash to pay this down. Terrific haul today. Kind of scaled it back and very delighted that I didn't buy a $50 haul and said, oh my gosh, I lied. Because you know what? They have to do something better for me, like give me a paper booster to pair with it, because just one booster like that, or just one digital, like a 7, when you spend 50, it's just not enough for me, and the deals are not popping that much. Clearance is fantastic, but these sort of deals, there's just not enough to get me to 50. So kind of scaling back a little bit. If you have the, you know, 5 back when you spend 25, or the 5 back when you spend 20, I would definitely do the shampoo deal that I had in the Friday video, or if you have the 25, pair the shampoo and Bic deal together, because those are both fantastic ones. So over at Meijer, and again, Meijer is only in the Midwest. There is no sister store to Meijer. Please don't ask. These Vaseline, and they're a skin product, even though they're lip product. So it's only certain ones that are working with this. The first one is these little, like, it's supposed to look like an old-fashioned thing of Vaseline. So I have this cocoa butter and then 1 rosy lip. You would buy 2 of them in a transaction, and they are $1.69 each. So for 2 of them, that's $3.38. Now we have a 4 off of 2 of automatic savings, so it would zero it out. You don't even have to pay tax. To buy these in sets of 2 for that 4 off of 2 to work, and I was able to do 12 in one transaction. So I found 24 of these and pairing them in sets of 2, and the 4 off of 2 is an automatic savings. You don't have to load anything, and it's really terrific. Next little deal, these are $1, also found near these, and or you could look for these where they have like the lip balms, that sort of stuff, but it is this one only, which is the aloe vera. The other ones that they have in the Vaseline line will not work. It has to be this one. So these are $1 each, so for 2 of them that's $2, and that 4 off of 2 will reduce down to 0, which doesn't really make a lot of sense, but it's just a free item. But it has to be the aloe vera. If you're gonna grab anyone, it won't work. It has to be this specific one or these ones. So good luck. I would go out sooner than later. If they're gonna pull this, they might do that, or a couponer might clear your store. But I would absolutely move on this sooner than later. Good luck with this one, Meijer shoppers. All that we have is with the 9 Elements dish soap. This guy is $3.99. We have a $3 M-Perk dropping it down to 99 cents. And if you're doing the keto diet or low carb, these Takis, it's like a hotter meat stick. They are found in the beef jerky section, like, you know, where they have the peanuts and chips, that sort of stuff in the store. They are $12.99. We have a $6 M-Perk, so it would drop it down to $6.99. So if you wanted to try this product, some significant savings right there. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.